Hey everybody, it's Neo, and I got a new air gun that I want to try for my air compressor. So we're gonna give this thing a try. I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like here, and we'll see how it is. It comes with, it comes with a few extra little washers for it. It comes with the little gun. This one's a nice black nozzle. Ooh. It's got a really good trigger on it, and you've got the quick clip connect. And then it's got the nozzle, and it'll say you can screw it on to have the different levels of pressure on it, which is cool. Comes with a couple of different lengths. This one here is super long, so you can switch it out for this if you needed it to be really long to get into certain areas. This one here is middle size, and it also came with this one here, which is what I kind of liked, is it came with this one here, which is super flexible, and it's really long, so I can squeeze it around into areas that I couldn't necessarily get there. So like when I'm doing some stuff, I use it for like cleaning the car and stuff, so getting under the seats and in between areas. This is just perfect for getting on the little rails, stuff like that. So I'm gonna say this is really cool. Excited to use it. I mean, it's gonna work like an air gun, so it's gonna definitely have pressure and good. All depends on how much pressure I'm putting in there, but seems good to me. I like this one, and super cool. So this is the one here. It's by, I don't know if it's by Airbo is the name of the brand, but that's what it looks like. So that's the information. Super cool. Thumbs up for me on this. Links in the description. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with some more reviews soon.